all these years. आपको मैंने personally जब देखा है कभी theatre के बाहर बातचीत करते हुए, आपको मैं जानता हूँ, मैं आपको देख के पहचान सकता हूँ कि this is Vijay. But the first time the trailer dropped, I swear bro, मैं initially just didn't land to me that it was you, because I know that it is not a completely different look or something, but something that you did, and it was a completely different person. And on top of that, the character that you played, the captain of that ship, it's based on what he experienced on that particular time. So many projects have you been a part of, but with this particular series, have you cracked something? There's something that you found.
First of all, thank you, Mantra, for such warm, lovely words. I think I did. Now that I watched it, I am able to feel like कुछ तो ऐसा हुआ था जो शायद मेरे कंट्रोल के बाहर था या मेरे काबू के बाहर था, जो कि हो गया. I think sometimes just there was no real effort to make him sound or look like the real life captain. That wasn't never the intention. He never showed me a picture of young Captain Devi Sharan saying कि हमको ये achieve करना है. In fact, for the entire series, the intention was very clear. We're not recreating any of these, we're not imitating any of these characters. So that brief was also there for Captain. But when I met him and I spoke to him and I understood the nature of him and how soft-spoken and how sincere and dedicated and how much integrity he has, I try to kind of keep that energy with me, and I try to keep the spirit of the person that I met, and somehow maybe in the portrayal it was there and it connected. So I'm just thankful that this happened, and he was capturing it through the lenses that probably worked, because the camera was always right next to my face on three sides all the time, and there was this green screen in front of me. So
I mean, you spent so much.
I think I've heard such lovely, kind words from somebody I admire deeply, and I'm always, when I'm working with him, there's a sixth sense within me which is always ready to learn, to see what he's up to, what new I can learn from him, because that's the kind of respect and sort of awe I hold him in. So he has said some beautiful words for me, and I'm going to relish them for the years that there are left for me. Thank you so much, Nasir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. And we will continue to relish. You know, media is known as the fourth pillar of democracy. The responsibility that media has to report the truth, not to spread rumors, not to let rumors spread. It is a responsibility. Pun intended. Tell me something, ma'am. Back in 99, that character, what it went through, and the way you have portrayed that character, it is something that a lot of our friends would like to take a leaf out of.
I think what mattered the most to me was Shalini's integrity.
True, ma'am.
And that's evident in the way she responds to the situation, the way it unfolds. And I think it's a dilemma that many of my friends, journalist friends, are dealing with till this day. Many of them who were a part of broadcast channels and newspapers today run their own independent YouTube channels. And I was very intrigued about what that time must have been like for a woman in press and for a woman in power in press. And what was also exciting was the relationship, the Jugalbandi between Nandini and Shalini, their rapport, their exchanges, and the very gentle but important insights that their exchanges bring to the story as it unfolds. And I had a great time. And I think as an artist, it's wonderful to play empowered women, intelligent, thinking, empowered women. And I respect Anubhav Sinha for this very fact, because he's always gotten me to play such women. And it's such a privilege, and I'm so grateful to him and the way that they write women parts.
Yeah, true that, sir.
It did take a toll on the physical health, because I told you, and plus it was last year during the rains we were shooting, And again, I'm coming back to the fact that we were like some 100 odd crew people inside the flight, and somebody got some fever, and then it just went on with. We all got down with fever. Anubhav sir was shooting with a 102-degree fever, but the show went on, and I didn't realize what took a toll on me. After finishing the shoot that same night, I was taking a flight to somewhere else for some other shoot. And I didn't realize that what the shoot had done, you know. There's a point in the series where the toilet is overflowing, and, you know, my brilliant co-actor who did such a fine job, Aditi, she was inside the toilet and she was cleaning it up. And I don't know, somehow Anubhav sir created this mahol. We could literally smell the stench. All that actually left a toll, and it took some time for me to get rid of the thoughts.
Wow, wow. It's been an intense. बात करें, है ना?
जी, अब उसके बारे में मैं क्या कहूँ? हाँ, मतलब अच्छा था।
बहुत सुंदर राग है। एंड अब चाय कॉफी की तो बात ही नहीं करेंगे मनोज सर, वो फिर चर्चा फिर बाद में चलती रहेगी इस चीज की। लेकिन if I come back to Vijay, to you, Patulekha, to you two, there are roles, there are characters that change you as a performer because you live through some things, and if, of course, there is so much that has already happened. Do you think that happens with actors when they go through characters that, you know, leave back something with you, and were your characters in this series the same? Patra? Any transformations?
I mean, nothing that, you know, that you actively try to catch on to or remember, but it does its own thing. I think also stories come to you at a certain point in your life when you're ready for them, or sometimes stories get you ready for something. So, but these things are so invisible. It's really like too philosophical to kind of make sense of it.
True, sir.
But I was deeply happy that Captain Devisharan enjoyed the work. He called in and gave me a pat on the back. And also Mrs. Sharan, उन्होंने बोला कि I know this man more than he knows himself, and I can tell you that you've come very close to him. So that was
the biggest compliment that we
yeah,
come to you.
I think there was some responsibility that I didn't really understand when I was doing it. But when I heard it, I felt like शायद मेरी कोई responsibility थी जो मैंने ठीक से कर दी.
Patra?
थैंक यू मतलब थैंक यू मतलब मुझे भी पता नहीं था कि इतना अच्छा लगेगा लोगों को, बट जनरली मैं तो बस कोशिश किया था कि नेगोशिएशन की तरह की जाए, और इससे ज़्यादा क्या बोलूँगा. थैंक यू.
ऐसा है कि पिताजी डांट भी रहे हैं, एक बॉस अथॉरिटी से बात भी कर रहा है, बहुत सारे लेयर्स हैं उसमें.
आ गए होंगे मतलब मेरे को बोलते हैं मतलब मैं तो जैसे हमारे गुरुजन हैं वो लोग जो शिक्षा दी है कि स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ो, स्क्रिप्ट इज द बाइबल, मैं तो वही पढ़ता रहता हूँ और वही मेरा, बाकी लेयर्स आ गए कैसे आ गए कितने आ गए वो छोड़ देता हूँ मैं.
ये कैसे जादू हो गया, हमें ना पूछो जादू कैसे हुआ. But yes, Vijay, you say.